Hello everyone, in today's video I'll guide you how to create a customized header and footer using Elementor for free. So let's get started. All you need to do is the initial step is to navigate to the WordPress dashboard here. Next go to the plugins to menu and locate the add new option here. Click on it. Now let's proceed to the search bar and search for the header and footer plugins here. Search for it. Here's how you can install the header and footer plugins. Install it. After installing it, you can activate it here. After activating it, go to the appearance section and access the header, footer and blocks option here and add new. Now give it a title like custom header here, and now for the types of template you have to select header option here. There are other options also like footer, before header, but you have to select on header option here. Click on it. And now for the display on option, you have to select the option named entire website. Here you can see it. Now click on it. After this, you have nothing to do with these other options here like the user roles or enable layout for Elementor canvas templates. Now publish it. After publishing it, click on the edit with Elementor option to access the Elementor editor here. Now let's proceed to the add new page option within the Elementor editor. Here how you can access the block section and search for a header on the search bar. In the blocks section, you will find various header options to choose from for your website if you want to. Now go back and let's proceed to adding a structure to your header and select a structure for it. On the option you see on the right top corner and search for image. Click on the image option and drag and drop it to the structure here. Now you can also add the picture from your media library and insert it. For link here, select custom URL option here. Now go to the other tab here, copy the URL, go back and paste it here. You can adjust its alignment from the center to the left and update it. After updating it, now select the other structure search menu for it. After this, select the navigation menu, drag and drop it and select main menu for the menu option. Now go back and search for menu again. Now this time search another navigation menu, select it and drag and drop it to the structure here. Now delete the previous one. Select main menu option for menu, and for last menu item select on the button. Now click on it, and after this enable the schema spot. Now click on layout option. Here we will change the alignments from right to left. You can also add menu icon from the media library if you want to. Here as you can see, you can add them if you want to. Now click on the style tab located on the top and go to the bottom. After clicking on the button option, here you can change the button background color. Now you can change it to any color. After changing it, you can go to the main menu. Here you can change the text color also. Now change it. You can add changes to the text by adjusting the font, the text transform to the upper, and the weight of the text to 400, and also the size of your text to your preference here. After this, go to structure and click on the left top corner here. You can change the alignment from top to middle. Now go to the editor of previous structure and adjust the width of your picture here. You can also minimize the size of structure according to your will. Furthermore, you have the option to add a new structure to enhance the layout here. Now click on the plus icon here, select a structure. Now go to the structure and click on the center of the structure here. Now after clicking on this, You can change the background color here. Now change it. You can also change it again, clicking on it and change it to the black right here. Now go to the search bar and search for icon. Now select the icon option here and drag and drop it to the structure right here. Now cancel all the unnecessary items. After this, you can also add an icon from the icon library. Search for phone icon here, select it and insert it. After this, you can also add your contact. After adding it, go to the style and click on icon here. Here you can change the color of your icons. You have the ability to create a new global color. In this case, we will set it to the white. Now you can change the color of icon and text to white. After changing it, go to the contact and here all you have to do is go to the contact and copy it. After copying it, go to the link and type call and paste the number here. After this, navigate to the other structure here and now go to the search bar and search for social icon. Now select it and drag and drop it to the structure here. After this, change the alignment from middle to right. Now go to the style here. After this, to the color settings, select the custom option. Then navigate to the primary color option here and choose the white color we previously selected. Now click on it. So this is how you can change the color of your social icons. Now you can also adjust the size of your social icons here, even though you can also customize the spacing between them based on your will. So after this, go to the content here. You can easily add the links to your social media accounts by entering the corresponding URLs in the link section of each social media. You can also add icon here. After clicking on it, go to the icon library and search for LinkedIn, select it and insert it. After this, you can also add the link of the LinkedIn here. After adding it, now update it. After updating it, go to the structure and tab on it and now click on the layouts here. You can change the column gap by selecting no gap here. Click on the phone icon and change the vertical alignment to middle. Now after all the editing you have done, now update it. After this, go to the website and reload the page here. You can see the changes will be updated throughout the website. As you can see here, the phone icon, the changes, and here the social icon. Now after all these changes, now go back to the Elementor and make a duplicate of the phone icon here and adjust its spacing. Now after this, select it and now go to the icon from the icon library here and search for a mail. Select the icon and insert it. Now go to the text and write your email on it, and in the link option change the call to mail and then remove the contact here. Select it. After removing it, all you have to do is update it and go to the website and reload the page again and check the changes that you have done throughout the website. Now go back to the Elementor and click on the three sides here and click on the exit to dashboard. After this, go to the appearance and click on the header, footer and blocks and click on the add new. After this, you have to add a title, footer. Now for type of template, select footer. After this, you have nothing to do with all of these options here, so ignore it and then publish it. After publishing it, go to the edit with Elementor. Now Elementor editor will appear. Now here you have to click on the plus icon here. After clicking on it, you have to select the structure. I'm selecting this. After selecting this, now go to the elements here and select the text editor and drop it here. After this, you have to click on the other structure here and go to the search bar right here. Search for social icon and drop it here. After this, change the alignment from middle to right. After this, you have to go to the style. Here you can change the color of the background. After this, select it and change the background with black. Go to the social icons here so we can edit them too. Now click on it and go to the style here. First you can adjust the size of them. After adjusting them, you have to select custom and then you can change the color of the social icon here. I'm changing it with white. After this, you can also change the background of icons. Now after changing the color to white, here it is. Now you have to adjust the size. After adjusting it, you can also adjust or customize the spacing between them. Now go to the style and also change the color of the text editor with white. Here it is. Now go to the alignment and change it to middle here. After doing this, go to the advanced here. After this, you have to set up a margin. Now I'm setting it to -25. After setting it up, all the changes and all the editing will be completed. After this, all you have to do is go to the bottom and update it. After updating it, go to the website and reload the page. Now check the changes you have done. Here's the issue. Go back to the dashboard. Here, exit to the dashboard. Now scroll down a little bit. Here you see the display on and select the entire website. Now update it. After updating it, go back to the website and reload the page. After reloading it, now see the changes will appear. So this is how you make header and footer using Elementor for free. I hope this video will help you, and if this video helps you, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video.